Buddy. So we spoke about writing proposals in the introduction document. One thing that's very important to know is where does a proposal fit within the bigger timeline of a project? Is it the first thing that we do? Is it the second thing that we do? Where does it fit? So we have an introduction document generated here at Flow Design Architects. The Snyder Cavan design is just an introduction to Flow, or services, how we work, and so forth. We talk about our design process. We have a design process divided in 4, which we have a video that we speak about more in detail. But where does the proposal fall? Do we write the proposal here? Do we write the proposal here? Do we write the proposal here? Well, the proposal is written here. It's basically step 0, right? You don't start doing define or envision until you already have a signed contract. You don't start anything until you have a signed contract. And the proposal is our contract. So basically it starts in here. But for us to be able to write the proposal, we need to have certain information, right? There are things that we need that we have to generate in order to actually write the proposal. That's steps, if we wanted to say it's 0, well, then step 1 is to write the proposal. But step 0 is actually something called consultation. Here at Flow Design, we do a consultation. We charge for that consultation. It's about 1 hour of our time where we go either in person or virtually and speak with the client about the project. What are their expectations? What are their goals? What is their desire for the project? What things are they looking for to achieve with this project? And it generally helps us define the project quantitatively, not so much qualitatively to some extent, but gives us an idea of what it is that we're supposed to do. And it's that thing called scope of work, scope of services. Timeline is critical. How much of the project do they need? If it's a single addition, multiple additions, multiple renovations, what are the things that we're doing, and how much of that are we doing? The intensity, right? The level of detail. So the proposal begins really on, after we do that initial consultation. That's when you have an idea, right? You know what the client's name is, right? You can't write a proposal to nobody, right? You have to have information, what the project address is. What is the project all about? What's the essence of the project? So it begins right here before we even started defining. And that proposal helps us already know a little bit about the define stage, but we don't really start that proposal until after we've done that initial consultation. It might be done, the proposal might be written by a partner that met with the client, one of the partners here at Flow Design, or it might be actually written by any of the architectural designers, so long as the partner can translate the information, or whoever they're in consultation can translate the information to that person here at the office that's writing the proposal. Ideally, everybody here should be able to know and understand how to write a proposal, because that's how you develop yourself, one, as a well-rounded architect that can run a practice, but also when you're designing something or drawing something, it's important to know what am I doing and why am I doing it, and why is it done this way, right? So the scope of services tells you by when you need to do it, what you need to do. It doesn't really tell you how you need to do it, but it does tell you what you need to do and by when you need to do it. And those things are not optional. You must deliver on time. You must deliver on the desires of the client, all of the things that they said they wanted. You must deliver exactly what they wanted, if not more and better than what they wanted. And that's why understanding what the proposal falls, that's critical. Before anybody here at the office begins drafting something, they have to read the proposal. I recommend that everybody prints the proposal. The fee is in there, critical information is in there, everything that you need to know so that you do and deliver the project correctly is in there. So we're going to talk a little bit more about our process here, just in terms of the proposal, so that you understand how to write the proposal in terms of this. All right? And that's going to be more on the next clip. Thank you.